Today I am reviewing AKIRES 8979CFM Portable Swamp Cooler. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable solution to beat the summer heat, especially in large spaces like your patio, garage, workshop, or gym, the AKIRES 8979CFM Portable Swamp Cooler is a game changer. Unlike ordinary fans or small air conditioners, this industrial-grade evaporative cooler is designed to cool up to 1,730 square feet efficiently, providing fresh, comfortable air wherever you need it. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into why this cooler is creating a buzz and whether it's worth investing in. Let's begin with its cooling performance. This cooler boasts an impressive 8,979 cubic feet per minute airflow, which means it can quickly circulate air in large rooms or semi-outdoor spaces. The 120-degree oscillation ensures that the cool air spreads evenly, reaching corners and areas that traditional fans can't touch. Whether you live in a dry climate, where it can bring your space down to a refreshing temperature, or even in a more humid environment, it still outperforms standard fans by circulating cooler, cleaner air across your room. What makes this cooler even more versatile is its 3-in-1 operation mode. You can use it as a simple fan-only mode, a water-cooled mode, or enhance the cooling by using ice packs. The unit comes with 5 included ice packs, which instantly lower the airflow temperature. Combined with triple air intake panels, the cooler maximizes evaporation for faster, stronger, and more efficient cooling, delivering a level of comfort that ordinary fans or small AC units just can't match. The water tank is another standout feature. At 36 gallons, this is massive for a portable cooler. It can run continuously for 25 to 50 hours, depending on your settings, which minimizes the need for frequent refills. And AKIRES has made it incredibly convenient with manual and automatic continuous fill options. The automatic mode uses a built-in float system to maintain the perfect water level, while the bottom drain system makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. This combination of features ensures you get long-lasting performance with minimal effort. Mobility and flexibility are where this cooler really shines. Despite its large size, it comes with 4 360-degree wheels, 2 of which can be locked for stability. This makes it easy to move across different spaces, whether you're cooling your workshop, gym, or outdoor patio. The freestanding design means no complicated installation or window hookups are required. You just plug it in, fill the tank, and you're ready to go. From an energy efficiency standpoint, the AKIRES cooler is impressive. Operating at 660 watts, it provides powerful cooling without spiking your electricity bills, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional air conditioning. It also keeps noise under control at around 63 decibels, so it won't disrupt conversations, work, or sleep while running. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of points to consider. First, due to its large water tank, the unit weighs 70.9 pounds, so while it's mobile with wheels, moving it frequently, especially upstairs, may be challenging. Second, while it performs exceptionally well in dry climates, in areas with very high humidity, the cooling effect may not feel as drastic as in arid conditions. However, even in humid environments, it still provides much better airflow than traditional fans and keeps spaces more comfortable. Another great aspect of this unit is its versatility. It's suitable for residential, commercial, and industrial applications, including workshops, warehouses, barns, garages, patios, gyms, and large living spaces. You also get the benefit of 5 ice packs included, which enhances the cooling effect without the need for expensive refrigerants or complicated setup. In summary, the AKIRES 8979CFM Portable Swamp Cooler delivers high-capacity cooling, convenience, and energy efficiency in one package. Its massive air volume, oscillating airflow, large 36-gallon water tank, multiple cooling modes, and mobility features make it a top choice for anyone needing to cool large indoor or outdoor spaces. Whether you're dealing with a hot summer day, need a cooler workspace, or just want a refreshing breeze while relaxing outdoors, this cooler has you covered. If you want a powerful, energy-efficient, and versatile cooling solution, the AKIRES S1 Swamp Cooler is definitely worth considering. With its combination of performance, convenience, and user-friendly features, it's one of the best options on the market today for both residential and commercial use.